Thank you for choosing United.
This guy's overstoking, baby.
Where's the stoke meter at?
Overflowing.
You got the email?
Yeah, HBR is my confirmation number.
Alrighty.
We're in it.
Get some rest.
Yeah, buddy. Can't come soon enough.
Alright, we'll see you soon, Bill.
Hey.
Wow. He's Mikey D.
He's coming.
We got a driver.
Every lifetime is a lesson. This is what I find. No matter who you are, gonna have your ups and downs. Whatever goes
War zone out there, bro.
You break down, we woke up and every jug in here was frozen. I was molded into a thing, and every time I got up, it was the coolest night of my life.
I was stuck in bed, breathing cold air. If I covered myself in the blankets, it would build moisture up and then freeze. So you had to have a little exhaust for the air to go out, but still be venting through because that was the only thing keeping us warm.
But then if you open your mouth out of your blanket, you're breathing in frozen air, so it's so cold you had to cover up.
You get hypothermia and die. Holy moly.
Star, dude.
We got claims that somebody in Michigan in the next week is gonna have a big garage we could pull into, fix this heater. We have the part right here. But yesterday, I reached out to my homie, a day one legend, like day one homie, and I asked him what he was doing, if he had 7 to 10 days off, because me and Dale have been trying to work so hard and we've been trying to drive so far, and the Narvi tour is crazy because to get to the next spot we have to drive 4 hours, but I have 4 hours of editing to do each night, and that leaves no room for maintenance on the body, and we're trying to perform. So my homie said he was literally down to come out, and that would be insane, and we literally booked the flight last night. So this dude is about to fly in. We are almost to
Des Moines?
Des Moines, Iowa.
Yeah,
Sorry if we got that wrong, and we're about to scoop this dude up. Tomorrow we're claiming we're going to be riding at Seven Oaks. Seven Stokes. So this is gonna get insane, but we got a quick hour drive. The last hour that we're gonna be driving, we're going to pick up E's, Mikey D's, and this is about to get sick, dude. To have a day one homie fly out and help with something that would like potentially be a position, a driver someday we would hire, is like, this is sick.
Driver means more stoke.
Here we got markets in town, bro. There he is. Look how cold it is out, bro. Yeah, it's mad cold.
This guy's a grown-ass man.
Yo!
What's happening, bro?
Yo!
Nice to meet you, man.
Bro, it's negative 90.
It's not warm. Whoa!
What's up, baby?
It's
Oh
not
my God.
warm.
Dude, we got the heater buddy going. Dude, we almost died last night.
Did you die?
Yeah.
Almost?
It was
Oh my
bad.
God, it's so cold here. Dude, I sleep better than I do at home here. This is luxury.
What are you doing over Nook, bro?
There's a new vibe in here. You got another body. The laminator?
Yeah, the laminator's over there. Some graphics we just printed today.
Woo! You're the man, dog. Overstoked. You. Homie supporting the dream, dog. Thank you so much for these stickers, dude. You killed it. He went fully out of the way just to keep us stoked. Yes.
What we do?
It's time. The little Grom one, dude. RV's gonna get some tattoos.
Thanks again, brother. We'll see ya. Alright, today's a special day. We gotta give some gratitude. We got the sign shop, dialed us in.
Sign shop. Thank you, sign shop guy.
What's the name of it? Travis from Vision Sign. I'll leave the Instagram at the bottom of the screen if you guys are in the Des Moines? How are we saying this?
I'm claiming Des Moines.
Des Moines area, and you need some stickers done, you need some decals, some vinyls, hit up our mans. Because he dialed us in because he's stoking and he's claiming he's not trying to take from the boys. And he's trying to just make his profits off of the corporations and hook up the little guys, so.
All small businesses, he pretty much hooks up and collects the money from the corporations.
Then we got dinner dialed?
And they gave us a shout out to the best restaurant in Des Moines.
And now, Ease Mikey D's isn't even understanding, which is a great thing, what the RV life is like, because last night was terrible, and tonight?
Cold, man. It's cold.
Where are we at now?
The Grand Chalet, the finest. We got carts rolling in, red carpet. The boys are about to get super over.
We got a hotel. And we're sleeping inside and we're taking showers tonight. This is heavy.
It was -2 last night.
Is that what it was?
We wouldn't survive again because we were the whole thing.
Here.
You can't burn. I'll heat the place up.
I heat it up for you.
Let's load this card up. Mikey D's is claiming he doesn't think that there's a room.
No, I don't think it's real.
I don't think so.
We're all going in and splitting a room, he thinks.
Yeah, no, guaranteed. We're going to all be splitting a room 3 ways. We're already mentally committed to this decision, so whether there's one in there for us or not, we're getting one. All right?
Never thought I'd get a shot of us heading towards a big hotel.
Like the D's in town.
This is a different lifestyle. How's it going?
Sean got it all set up for you.
We're good.
Sean's the hero.
Nice quiet room. Just view of the sunrise in the morning.
All right, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you, bro.
You guys have a great.
This place is sick. Is this what it feels like to make it? To charge your Jackeries in a real outlet?
And some supercharge here. Is it powered?
Yeah, input. Here we go. This is why we're grateful we didn't sleep in the NAR last night. That's crazy. We gotta give a massive shout out to the homie that you guys will see on hill today. Hopefully in the next couple hours. He put us up at a hotel, which is so insanely luxury for the boys. And yeah, to get some support while we're traveling on the road is incredible. And to get some heat and an indoor shower and jacuzzi and gym session is something that we are incredibly grateful for. We're gonna make some coffee right now. The boys are packing up from the hotel room and hopefully we get to see this legend on the hill today who dialed us in. Thank you guys so much, anybody who supports while we're on this NARV 2022 road trip. It really does mean the world, and we're gonna see you guys soon. We're gonna get stoked. 7 Oaks, what we're claiming 7 Stokes. Is this going down right now? This is the big moment. You better put that hat on.
Oh, yes.
That's it, huh? Are we kidding?
I got
The moment we've been waiting for.
How'd we sleep last night, boys?
Oh,
I got a little in.
unbelievable.
That was...
The gratitude for yesterday in general. We got stoked out by the sign guy, the hotel guy,
Food guy?
food guy. beyond grateful for everything.
Absolute dream. When we got 1 hour,
Ladies and gentlemen,
and we're heading to 7 Stokes.
7 Stokes. We did the walk around. I got the checklist completed. There's air in the tires. They look up, but we're rolling.
The QR work?
Hell yeah, dude.
What's up, bro?
What's up, man? How you guys doing?
We're good,
you guys
dog.
You're having a hell of a time, dude, for real.
Yeah, bro, we're dreaming.
I just subscribed to you guys. I want to watch some of your guys' stuff, man. That's awesome.
Dude, you're the man, bro. They got kickers! Quick breakdown. We made it! We are full-blown POW storm dreaming in Michigan, but we are multiple days ahead. I've been trying to keep up with the edits, but with the shredding and the driving and the recovering and everything, it's so hard. Tried to jam the 7 Stokes video into today, but it was over 35 minutes, so that's gonna be dropping tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I cannot believe how much we got helped out. You guys are legitimately the ones who are making this all happen, and I want to say that if you want us to ride your resort or you want to figure out where we're at, there are 2 ways to try to keep up on it. It's so difficult to give you the most advanced notice that we can, but this text message right here, I will send out a text message to you guys if you're within 100 miles of where we're going to be riding the next day, and if not, I post on my Instagram story, which is right here, Casey_Willax, and I try to give you guys as much heads up as I can. But thank you guys all for everything. I hope you've been enjoying the videos. Drop a thumbs up because we put so much work into this. If you're not already, click the subscribe button. We're on the road to 100K, and we're gonna be getting some bangers coming here soon. For the dream!